Discover aloe vera, your secret to glowing skin and health. The remarkable healing power of aloe vera, nature's hidden treasure unveiled. Greetings, wonderful viewers. Today, let's unlock the secrets of one of nature's most powerful remedies, aloe vera. Renowned for its timeless healing properties, this miraculous plant has been cherished across cultures for centuries. But what makes it so special for your health, skin, and hair? And what does modern science have to say about its effectiveness? Stick around as we blend ancient wisdom from Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine with groundbreaking research from leading institutions like the CDC, NIH, and WHO to bring you an in-depth exploration of aloe vera's incredible benefits. Disclaimer: the information provided in this content is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new health or skincare routine, especially if you have underlying medical conditions or are taking medications. While aloe vera offers numerous benefits, individual reactions may vary. Conduct a patch test before applying aloe vera topically and follow recommended guidelines for oral consumption to avoid potential side effects. Enjoying our content? Subscribe now to stay inspired by nature's healing power and never miss an update. Discover the ancient wisdom and modern science of aloe vera. In Sanskrit, aloe vera is called Kumari, meaning a young girl, symbolizing its rejuvenating properties. The plant stays fresh and vibrant for years, and when used correctly, it can help us do the same. According to Ayurveda, aloe vera is a powerful antitoxic agent that aids digestion, boosts immunity, and promotes cell regeneration. Let's start with the health benefits. Health benefits of aloe vera. 1. Regulating blood sugar levels. Diabetes is a global health concern. According to the CDC, over 37 million Americans have diabetes and many more are at risk. Aloe vera contains glucomannan, a soluble fiber that can help reduce blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity. Scientific insight. Research published in the Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders highlights aloe vera's remarkable impact on blood glucose levels. The plant's gel contains bioactive compounds like glucomannan, a water-soluble fiber that interacts with glucose molecules to reduce absorption rates in the intestines. This mechanism helps stabilize blood sugar levels and enhances insulin sensitivity. Moreover, aloe vera is rich in antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which combat oxidative stress, a known contributor to insulin resistance. However, excessive consumption can lead to gastrointestinal issues, so it's crucial to follow medical advice and maintain a balanced intake. DIY tip: to help regulate blood sugar levels naturally, prepare a simple aloe vera juice drink. Start by extracting fresh aloe vera gel from a mature leaf. Blend the gel to achieve a smooth consistency, then measure out 10 ml of this fresh gel. Mix it with 10 ml of filtered water to dilute it slightly. Stir well until fully combined. Drink this mixture once daily, preferably on an empty stomach in the morning, to allow better absorption and to help manage blood sugar levels effectively. Always consult with your doctor before incorporating new remedies into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are on medication. 2. Improving digestive health. Aloe vera has been used in Ayurveda to treat digestive disorders for centuries. Its anti-inflammatory properties soothe the stomach lining and promote better digestion. Mechanism of action. Aloe vera contains anthraquinones, a group of bioactive compounds that work by stimulating the colon's peristaltic movements, which are the rhythmic contractions responsible for pushing waste through the digestive tract. These compounds increase the water content in the intestines, softening stool and facilitating smoother bowel movements. Additionally, aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the intestinal lining, reducing irritation and promoting a healthier gut environment. This dual action makes aloe vera an effective natural remedy for alleviating constipation and improving overall digestive health. Recipe: take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel, add a pinch of rock salt, and mix well. Consume it once daily to relieve digestive issues. Warning: overconsumption can lead to diarrhea or stomach cramps. Use it responsibly. 3. Boosting immunity. The immune system serves as our body's frontline defense against infections and diseases. Aloe vera contains long-chain polysaccharides, particularly acaminin, which play a crucial role in enhancing immune function. These polysaccharides interact with immune cells, such as macrophages and lymphocytes, stimulating the production and activation of white blood cells. This process boosts the body's ability to detect and eliminate harmful pathogens more efficiently. Additionally, aloe vera's antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress, further supporting a robust immune response. Incorporating aloe vera into your diet or skincare routine can provide a natural way to fortify your immune system against everyday challenges. Personal tip: strengthen your immune system by incorporating aloe vera into your diet with this simple method. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from a mature leaf by slicing it open and scooping out the clear gel. Blend the gel with a glass of water or your favorite smoothie to make it more palatable. You can also mix it with a splash of lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey for added flavor and health benefits. Consuming this mixture once a day during flu seasons can help boost your immunity by providing essential polysaccharides and antioxidants that enhance your body's natural defense system. If you found value in this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share it with friends who might benefit from these natural healing tips. Your support helps us create more insightful content just for you. Reveal radiant skin with aloe vera, nature's perfect remedy. 1. Hydration and anti-aging. Our skin needs hydration to remain healthy and youthful. Aloe vera acts as a natural moisturizer that penetrates deep into the skin. Mechanism: aloe vera contains mucopolysaccharides, which are long-chain sugar molecules that play a key role in locking moisture within the skin's layers. These compounds bind to water molecules, creating a barrier that prevents moisture loss, keeping the skin hydrated and supple. Additionally, aloe vera stimulates fibroblast cells, which are responsible for producing collagen and elastin fibers. This stimulation leads to enhanced skin elasticity and a reduction in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Over time, consistent use of aloe vera can improve skin texture, reduce signs of aging, and promote a youthful, radiant complexion. DIY mask. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel and mix it thoroughly with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Apply the mixture evenly on a clean face, focusing on dry or problem areas. Leave it on for 20 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate the skin deeply. The aloe vera gel provides hydration and soothes inflammation, while honey acts as a natural humectant, locking in moisture and providing antibacterial protection. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Gently pat your skin dry and feel the immediate difference. A smoother, more refreshed, and deeply moisturized complexion. For best results, use this mask twice a week. 2. Treating acne and dark spots. Acne is a common skin issue that affects millions worldwide. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help reduce acne and lighten dark spots. Scientific evidence. According to the NIH, aloe vera is rich in 2 plant hormones, gibberellins and auxins, which play a significant role in wound healing and reducing inflammation. Gibberellins stimulate cell growth and repair by promoting new tissue formation at the wound site, accelerating the healing process. Auxins, on the other hand, help regulate the plant's response to injuries by reducing inflammation through their interaction with key inflammatory mediators in the body. These hormones also contribute to collagen synthesis, which strengthens the skin and promotes faster recovery from cuts, burns, and other skin irritations. This dual action not only soothes the affected area, but also ensures lasting protection and regeneration. Recipe: take 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel and mix it with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder until a smooth paste forms. For easier application, you can add a few drops of rose water or distilled water to achieve a more spreadable consistency. Using clean fingers or a cotton swab, gently apply the mixture directly onto the affected areas of your skin. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties to work. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat this process 3 times daily for best results in reducing acne, dark spots, and inflammation. Ensure you do a patch test before applying to avoid any allergic reactions. 3. Healing minor burns and injuries. Aloe vera is a natural remedy for burns and minor cuts. Its cooling effect soothes the skin and accelerates the healing process. Mechanism: aloe vera contains acamanin, a powerful polysaccharide that stimulates the activity of fibroblast cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. Acamanin enhances cellular regeneration by promoting the repair of damaged tissue and increasing the production of new skin cells. It also helps in forming a protective barrier over wounds, preventing bacterial infections and reducing inflammation. Furthermore, acamanin boosts the synthesis of hyaluronic acid, which is essential for skin hydration and elasticity. This combined action accelerates wound healing, minimizes scarring, and restores the skin's natural barrier function, making aloe vera an effective remedy for burns, cuts, and other skin injuries. Tip: keep an aloe vera plant at home as your go-to natural first aid solution. For minor burns, cuts, or skin irritations, simply cut a mature leaf from the plant. Let the yellow latex drain out, as it can be irritating to the skin. Slice the leaf open lengthwise and use a spoon to scoop out the clear gel. Apply this fresh gel directly onto the affected area. Its cooling properties provide instant relief, while its antibacterial and regenerative compounds help accelerate healing. Keeping a plant indoors ensures you have fresh aloe vera on hand whenever you need it. Love what you're seeing? Hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tips. Don't forget to like and share to spread the knowledge. Your support means everything to us. Transform your hair with aloe vera, nature's secret to stronger, healthier hair. 1. Promoting hair growth. Hair growth can be affected by various factors, including stress and nutritional deficiencies. Aloe vera helps strengthen hair follicles and promote healthy hair growth. Mechanism: aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which break down dead skin cells and excess sebum on the scalp. These enzymes help unclog hair follicles, improving nutrient absorption and creating an optimal environment for hair growth. By clearing away debris and reducing scalp irritation, aloe vera also promotes healthier hair by encouraging the production of keratin, the protein that forms the structure of hair strands. This dual action not only prevents hair loss, but also stimulates new hair growth, leading to thicker, stronger, and more resilient hair over time. DIY tip: to promote healthy hair growth, start by cutting a fresh aloe vera leaf. Carefully slice the leaf lengthwise to reveal the gel inside. Scoop out the clear gel using a spoon and transfer it into a clean bowl. For best results, blend the gel to achieve a smooth consistency. Using your fingers or a brush, apply the fresh aloe vera gel directly to your scalp, ensuring that you cover the roots thoroughly. Massage gently for 5 to 10 minutes to improve blood circulation and enhance absorption. Leave the gel on your scalp for at least 30 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and a mild shampoo. Repeat this process once a week to nourish your scalp, reduce dandruff, and promote stronger, healthier hair. 2. Treating dandruff. Dandruff is a prevalent scalp issue that often results from a combination of dry skin, excess oil production, and fungal infections caused by Malassezia yeast. This yeast thrives on the natural oils of the scalp, leading to irritation, flaking, and itchiness. Aloe vera's antifungal compounds, particularly saponins and asamanin, help to disrupt the growth of this yeast, thereby reducing inflammation and scaling. Additionally, aloe vera provides a moisturizing effect, restoring the scalp's natural balance and preventing dryness that can exacerbate dandruff. By addressing both the root cause and symptoms, aloe vera offers a holistic approach to dandruff management. Recipe: to create an effective anti-dandruff treatment, take 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of neem oil. Mix them thoroughly until you achieve a smooth blend. Part your hair into sections and apply the mixture directly to your scalp using your fingers or a cotton ball. Gently massage the scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure the mixture is well absorbed. Leave it on for at least 20 minutes to allow the antifungal properties to work effectively. Rinse off with lukewarm water and wash your hair with a mild shampoo. For best results, repeat this treatment twice a week. 3. Protecting hair from sun damage. Just like our skin, our hair is vulnerable to the damaging effects of UV radiation, which can weaken hair strands, cause dryness, and fade natural or artificial hair color. Aloe vera acts as a natural sunscreen by forming a protective barrier on the hair shaft. It contains powerful antioxidants like vitamin C and E that neutralize free radicals generated by UV exposure. Additionally, aloe vera's high water content keeps hair hydrated, preventing it from becoming brittle under the sun. Applying aloe vera gel before stepping out shields your hair from UV rays, reduces protein loss, and keeps it soft, shiny, and healthy. Tip: for all-day protection against sun damage, apply a small amount of fresh aloe vera gel to your hair before going outside. Start by taking a fresh aloe vera leaf, slice it open, and scoop out the clear gel. Rub the gel between your hands to warm it up slightly for easier application. Spread it evenly through your hair, focusing on the ends where damage is most likely to occur. This natural leave-in conditioner not only forms a protective barrier against UV rays, but also hydrates and strengthens your hair throughout the day. For added benefits, mix a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant scent and extra nourishment. Take action for a healthier you. Aloe Vera in your daily life. Aloe Vera is a versatile plant that offers numerous benefits for your health, skin, and hair. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you can harness its natural healing power. Remember to use it responsibly and consult healthcare professionals when necessary. Embrace the timeless healing of aloe vera. Nature has provided us with an incredible gift in aloe vera. Let's embrace natural remedies and live in harmony with nature. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural healing tips. Namaste. Reference: Ayurveda research papers. 1. Therapeutic uses of aloe vera in Ayurveda. 1. This research paper explores the historical and contemporary uses of aloe vera in Ayurvedic medicine, focusing on its role in digestive health, immunity, and skin care. 2. Phytochemical properties of aloe vera in traditional Ayurvedic practices. 2. A comprehensive study that outlines the bioactive compounds in aloe vera and their relevance in Ayurvedic treatments for various ailments. 3. Aloe vera in Ayurveda, a review of its rejuvenating and healing properties. 3. This paper highlights aloe vera's role in cellular regeneration, wound healing, and detoxification according to Ayurvedic texts. Best-selling books on Amazon. 1. The Miracle of Aloe Vera, Nature's Healing Gift by Dr. Penny Stanway. 1. A bestseller that delves into the health and beauty benefits of aloe vera with practical recipes and tips. 2. Aloe Vera, The New Millennium by Bill C. Coates and Robert Ahola. 2. An in-depth exploration of aloe vera's medicinal properties and applications in modern health practices. Scientific research articles. 1. The Role of Aloe Vera in Wound Healing. Journal of Ethnopharmacology. 1. This article discusses the mechanisms through which aloe vera promotes wound healing at the cellular level. 2. Aloe vera and its antioxidant properties. Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry. 2. A study highlighting aloe vera's antioxidant compounds and their impact on reducing oxidative stress. The effectiveness of aloe vera in treating psoriasis. British Journal of Dermatology. A clinical study evaluating aloe vera's efficacy in managing psoriasis symptoms and improving skin health